Some people may have 3 live what me I go share with you. Zine, one with Lady Grabba. She did a try done Lady P couple days ago. And Blinga say, boy, you are going. Come on my life such and such time. And yeah, Lady P can have it out. Seeing she forward on the live and them a call Lady P. And she, Lady Grabba decide for just this Lady P and get rush upon the live. 2 women take on Lady Grabba upon the live. You see me I say? So that we are going to watch first. Then Destiny talk about the whole situation with Ivany. Who influence Ivany? Who are the bad influencer when it come to Ivany? Who back Ivany in her ranks and make it look like say she right and all these things. And also Zine Dan them talk about the whole Ivany situation, you know what I mean? And when she come back out of jail and them talk about that thing. So we're gonna get in a Lady Grabba thing first and then we go in at the rest after. You see me? So make we kick it off, my people.
I do. I just got up one morning and see some dirty braces and I talk about it. Now I'm out. And what I see again, I see something I eat out her head top. I don't know if ticks live up there. Like cow live up in her head top and them black like I say cancer in it. I don't know, so I talk about it. And she need to fix up herself as a woman. And I thought she was more than 35. I didn't know she was 30. Through me at 52 and through me looks so damn good and active and can run from her. I talk about it. I talk about it. Right, this so. I mean, no vex me talk about it because me and you know so the young girl have to fix up themselves and fix up them house that them can accommodate man. Right, this so cause we just a live and we are go dead. So why not accommodate the man? Them and make the man they want come lay down comfortable. When you get a man come lay down comfortable, you can have all 5 men come in the house.
Miss, you sound bad, man. That's all you sound, cause there's nothing there. Not one of the right, they say. You just come on and just bash the woman. Come with something, man. Come with something. Like, at this point, you just a chat shit at this. Like, come off, man. Mom bothers.
Big old, big stinking old, dirty old girl. Dirty blood clot mouth with your up in as loud as blood clot for me. Some bad man over blood clot. Me have a big blood clot. So I me have a big blood clot. Nice old. What you talk about? I me look good for 50.
Lady Grabba.
And I me.
You know, your sound big and done for the literary must.
Hey, dog shit. On the bright blood clot. On the bright town and have a blood clot, man. That was all. Hospital and take on my blood clot in idea. Stop all the blood clot. Move your dirty blood clot and go away. Hey, my dog some blood clot. Are you bright on my blood clot? Move the dirty blood clot. Stand up and let me dash my blood clot. I take on a blood clot, drink phone a dog shit. Go a tight. Hello, pit hole blood clot, girl. It's one a pit hole. Me na blood clot. This is one a pit hole. From you to blood clot, lady P. The whole on a blood clot pit hole. For lady P to whole blood clot and move the stinking mouth, dirty stinking stretch out, dirty blood clot and. Move your blood clot. Hey, you see the word where you talk about bad man, girl. If you don't talk about it, me no call it come. Me no use bad man word. Cause bad man word across is and bad use blood clot. A bad man, you know about bad man, me no blood clot know about it. Dog shit. And your mouth stink like a blood clot. Shibada. Your mouth stink like a blood clot, Shibada blood clot. Batty-hole and Destiny blood clot, Batty-hole. Got shock off in a Destiny and blood clot, Shibada Batty-hole. More dirty blood clot. I make them go drain out them.
Ma'am, big man, calm down.
We are not going to take no Shibada example over here.
Calm
So
down. No, but
that
RC,
Yeah,
she
different
not
story.
talk nothing when she
Grabba,
just a come
no
at
man,
the lady and it's
Grabba, come
some
back. No,
bad
hold on. No.
mind.
Grabba,
Jesus.
unmute, Grabba, unmute.
Yeah, oh yeah, behave for big man.
Grabba, touch unmute.
And come with nothing. Hear her. She good to this lady could be
For
my
big
grandmother.
woman, you not set no example for your daughter them. Here I
Alright, so the war have to be fair. Alright, so listen now. Me pause the war a little bit because we are not going to take the Shiba that this. That's why everybody mute now. We're in a, you should use an example so it's going to start over back when you unmute. Just give them a little second. No Shibada language. Alright. Unmute, Grabba, unmute.
Nobody wants to hear her. But nobody knows.
You can't come and suck the girl and go chuck up in my body hole. If you
Nobody
don't
wanna
want to
hear you,
go
miss.
sling in my body hole. Go put your head in my blood clot hole. If you don't want to hear me, I'm not going to take you to come off a bling a blood clot life. Can't feel me like you
Nobody don't want to hear
Go
you.
chuck off in my body hole. My body hole deep in blood clot wide. Go chuck off in my mouth. The blood clot body don't want to hear you so good. Hey, get your blood clot. That's me. You are one big dirty sticking young dog shit. We are walk out every young boy. Watch yourself. You can't get my blood clot, man. You can't live the blood clot life with me blood clot. Just go chuck off in my body hole until me wash me show out.
If I don't keep your foot.
And yeah, lady P come chuck off in it. Cause space in my blood clot body hole people. Space in my body hole people. Young girl move your dirty blood clot. On a young and no blood clot reputation. Move with the dirty blood clot. Big man the earth to my head. Big man the earth up on the dirty blood clot head. Go chuck off and go burn again. Your mother send for package and send for the wrong blood clot package. My mother send for package and send for the right blood clot package.
Miss, let's not talk about mother because you could be my grandma.
You and your mother come chuck off in my body hole. Me no hold back not when me trace out to the blood clot. Me no blood clot hold back. Me no powder. None of the stinking mama. None of the stinking mama was stretch out like a me no powder. None of the mama was stretch out like a me no blood clot powder.
Don't mention my mother.
Me say you and your mama come chuck off in my body hole. I'm a put me in the blood clot. I was 6 trailer and still I wait for your mama to come fast with the blood clot.
Ma'am, stop. Just calm down. No, I can't do all
I
of that.
send for blood clot lady P. I'm not afraid I no act shit. You man shit, me not afraid I no. You man shit, me not afraid I no. You man.
Mine get stroke.
No, me not catch no blood clot. I'm not pressure like I no. You not pressure can no man not stand with you no. I pressure can no man not stand with you. Cause no nasty no blood clot. You no know if you do not know if you accommodate nobody. So me not catch no blood clot. So me cut my. On a so na blood clot pressure ride, no island ride. On a blood clot, me have suck duck every blood clot left, you know. And in the earth on the blood clot Bex. And me see out a blood clot airport road.
Girls, this is not cussing. You understand what I do? Lady P is cussing. Uno there sa nah. That's not fucking cussing.
No, me they move them dirty blood clot. About no. Me move them so good blood clot, but no. Me say blood clot trace, and me can't say no. I'm here to trace out them blood clot.
Who come up here come curse her out for Lady P? Because Lady P
no blood clot, y'all can't cuss with me for that coming on the pan that a Lady P me blood clot. A Lady P me blood clot cuss and a Lady P me what? Whenever you stinking dirty blood clot stinking, wash from dirty water y'all come from. A Lady P me blood clot wally, Miss Bling. Lady blood clot fee. If you want to make a next video, me go cuss somebody blood clot is and come up.
Alright, anybody who want
any pub.
Know people, that lady me see her on the internet couple of times. You know what I mean? When any big story a go on, she will give her 2 cents. You see me? Upon the situation. But you see nowadays people, me can't know what genuine from one a genuine. Because this look like them just plan it for just cuss. In a friendly cussing thing. You know what I mean? I wonder for them thing you bling at them a deal with, you know. You see me? It better when it authentic, you know what I mean? When people naturally not really, you know what I mean? And whatever. But if them are go plan them thing, yeah, me not feel like the people are go really, you know what I mean, tune in for watch things where them plan for cuss one another. You see what I say? You know what I mean? So let me know one thing with people. You see it, cause this lady say she just see Lady P, and Lady P look a certain type of way and she decide to talk about it. When she talk about it, you know, Lady P ear answer, you know what I mean? And right now she and Lady P at it, and me don't know if them really at it or it is just an act, you know what I mean? Like them a try a thing on the media, cause them want to get piece of the viral. You know, everybody want a buzz on the media, you know. You see it, so them know say cussing are the way to get exposed, you know what I mean? So them a maybe look some exposure and just do the cussing, forget it. You know what I mean? So I don't know anything still.
I feel for blood clot, cause me cuss out them blood clot. Cause me not take nothing serious at the end of the blood clot there.
Anybody feel like we can't top this because Lady Grabba is cursing?
And I got cuss out them blood clot. And Lady P, me want me not illustration with no blood clot. Girl, especially them no man na them blood clot bed. No right now, Lady P me want. Lady blood clot play.
But she not come. She said she tired and want sleep. And I hear what Dan come say. So you not coming like say she go come. Lady P, you afraid of Lady Grabba?
No, I'm afraid she afraid of them afraid of my blood clot mouth. And me them afraid of my mouth. Nobody not afraid of me, Miss Bling. My mouth them afraid of. You know, say somebody give me $2,000 today, man. Will say, I'm one of your big followers. I like how you cuss out them blood clot.
Yeah, man, me feel like that. But Lady P, you know me like boy, Lady Grabba, you know me like boy, you. When you cuss, you don't care. You just say the things and what you do.
Me just tell them anything come and mouth, but at the end of the day, me still love them. Me not take nothing serious, Miss Bling, like of them. Me still love them.
Say a lie. When I say man grab you up and cut your all your sons, them they lie.
Liar blood clot, Miss Bling. Let me curse you blood clot now. I look like police spectacle now do nothing to your blood clot. My man a big blood clot for man. My man a carry a blood clot still like pants. Me is a 52-year-old blood clot man. And my man for 50 talk and play like a blood clot. In Jack me, hey, I put on one bit on this fan camera and show you what me just done doing on my blood clot out. White down for SETI blood clot go down. Me happy over blood clot here. Happy over here, Miss Bling, where you come talk about say. The salon of blood clot wings face a robot blood clot wall. What you talk about, Miss Bling? You think I'm out talk them blood clot, yeah? My mouth talk and trace them, you know, I love them, but you come to my Miss Bling to keep my blood clot young. So me rev out my blood clot like I went time. Them I take tractor Vita, dig blood clot land for go plant. Can't pumpkin sweet potato. What you talk about?
But you just said something I mean nothing, so me ask you if
I don't mean nothing when me cuss them blood clot. Miss Blinga, where you talk about? My come first, now my book, Miss Blinga. I'm going to buy fish and blood clot oxtail. I'm going to buy shrimps and blood clot lobster. I'm going to buy callaloo and cabbage for my key. Where you blood clot about, Miss Bling? Some of them young girls where you talk negative. So that's why I'm so hype and blood clot ring.
Well, me not blame you because guess what? It's sad. Some young girl now get no.
Sad, Miss Blinga. Kill me as a Miss Blinga. Lady Grabba not tell like pan. Lady Grabba not tell like pan. The blood clot can run off of that blood clot when they reach me to blood clot the right way. Enough girl not come here to come talk that. Make them move them dirty blood clot. A big woman a mad out them blood clot. And if my man trouble me burn out him blood clot more than how the bakery sell enough blood clot bun. But me not have a problem with my man. That's why I have to jump in and my mole every minute. Every blood clot minute, them a wait pan blood clot man. Fifth them here sit down pan man can ride it. Blood clot left them. Me move the young girl dirty blood clot and go away. Can't chat to me. I'm buying new blood clot phone. I'm buying new phone. I'm cough. I'm buying new blood clot phone today. And instead my phone no good. I'm buying new blood clot phone. Right, my daddy dead. I'm here fix up a charger. Then move them dirty blood clot and go away. Them begs over the big woman them and big woman now blood clot trouble them. So Rosalie and Captain me say me faggy him and blood clot cocoa. A long time in a trace blood clot sheet to you know the hard time I come up again. Oh.
Jesus Christ, then I'll cocoa on your war too?
Me worry all blood clot and then me care. Me fucking care because me not take nothing blood clot serious.
Lady Grabba, let me say for iPhone.
No, not a blood clot or something. No iPhone. No blood clot iPhone. Me not no iPhone coming a lie like a blood clot, some of them. Me have Samsung, they even have 1, 2, 3, or 4, just have a blood clot Samsung.
Hallelujah.
Rika asks, Lady Grabba, a Rika asks. See her there, 9 bucks. And she asks if I iPhone.
Rika, me not have no blood clot iPhone.
Lady Grabba, I don't mean for love. I don't mean.
Rika, anything you pay, let me tell you, Rika,
I have Note 21 Ultra, so I
baby, listen,
like iPhone.
listen, me not be able to listen me. I say, you see that woman here, not afraid to ask her no blood clot question, but me come here again, nothing but the blood clot shoot. If you want to ask me how much, ask me how much is blood clot right now. Me not come like something.
So, that big woman here, straightforward, you know what I mean? And it look like, say, she can do her thing in the bedroom with people. You know what I mean? It look like she go hard in her bedroom, you know, like. And when me look on her picture, me see it on her. You know, some woman where you can just look on them and see them woman easy when they come to in the bedroom. Yeah, man. So me just look on her and see, say, yo, that woman here. Yeah, man. You have some big woman where be a young boy knock them, you know. You see me? And I know because of money they have make young boy knock them. Because a bedroom thing show up on them. You see me? Yeah. So a young boy we even have him money and draw for a big woman like that same way. Because of the look there and the feeling in a bedroom same way. You see me? And the big woman they look like one of them type of big woman there. You see it. I mean, know say she but enough young girl foot. Cause she look. You know what I mean? That look there me I talk about. Yeah, the same look there. So right now people, we're gonna hear with Destiny officer about Ivany and our friend will lead her astray. But when I say people, now the whole Ivany thing, and people say Ivany in a lock up and all these things. Me not lie, me not believe it one bit. I don't. Big woman thing. If she was, first of all, I should get locked up maybe a day or two after. Would already see the mugshot and all these things that circulate. You know what I mean? If them start circulate the mugshot them, you know, people start ask about mugshot and them something there, and them just bill sitting and send it out. I don't know why she do this, but you know what I mean, maybe she just want her peace of mind, and social media get draining for her, and she just want to leave social media, you know what I mean, in a style and get some, you know what I mean, so get her mental, you know what I mean, better and deal with whatever situation she have to deal with. Me just feel like say this is her taking a break in style, and nothing wrong with that. You see me? And all me I say this and me I say that. You know what I mean? Me not opposed to her taking a break or anything like that. You see it? But you see when me see like say, no man, this not add up, that not add up, me I go point it out. You see me? But I think that this is her taking a break. You know what I mean? Taking a mental break from the media. You see me? Because the media can be draining. You know what I mean? Enough people like Ivany, enough people don't like her. And one thing me notice about some of the people, you see, anytime you talk about, like you try to speak the truth or you speak the truth about Ivany, people try to say, leave the girl alone, wait. You know what I mean? You not talk nothing wrong. You speak the truth. You see me I say, and them say the truth hurt, but I no sin. You see me? So me now go come here so and sugarcoat it and say, boy, wait. Me I go talk and me I go say, yo, but remember, say, boy, wait. And sometimes people I say, you can't judge people by them past. You know what I mean? But it's not a pass for Ivany a certain way. You know what I mean? Sometimes she cool on the internet and she try to behave herself and people store her up. You know what I mean? That go on, yes. But she go on with a lot too. You know what I mean? She go on with a lot also. So me could hear what Destiny have to say about the whole situation. Cause you see me people, me think say Ivany and Destiny, them a friend. But them just give the media a show. Yeah man. So all me I say to people who watch the media and believe everything them say, take everything what you see on the media with a grain of salt. You see me I say, don't quick to believe everything. Because most of them people here on the media, although you see them a cuss, them a friend here. So make we hear what Destiny have to say. Alright, so yeah, make we hear what Destiny has to say now.
Because they know where to go out. They're going to get the outcome, it's going to come out. Just ask me where did I tell her, say, I don't stay warm, and she turn and cuss me.
All right, listen, Destiny.
This is the thing now where hold on, the fruit girl. You come up and you want us a chat, so give other people on the panel a chance to talk, because other people need to voice their opinion and other people need to reply to what you're saying. And you wanna chat for your come up.
So now that they come up here for do, I come up here to talk.
No, but this
Just like when you said something now, then I will listen to Destiny.
You're having a monologue. Have a dialogue.
All right, other people talk, come here and say.
Exactly, so people need to talk. That's what I'm saying to you. Don't come up here with any ignorance.
Right.
You will have need to work on TikTok, and me alone need to work. And me alone on TikTok a bit. And nobody not say nothing now.
She just bad me up, say me alone talk and she not talk.
Other people can speak.
Extraordinary.
Can speak on the
want to hear
topic.
somebody else's opinion.
Oh, hold on. Who you think wrong in this situation? Who you think is boosting up Ivany? Okay, let me ask a question. Who you think is boosting up Ivany? Because, listen, you know, them that say Destiny was not a bad. Them that say me that me's a bad friend, Ivany. Or me become a bad friend. Everybody cuss on the internet. She tear me down and me tear her back down. We all human beings.
Tear down.
We are human beings. But when me and her friend, I tell her the truth. When Ivany a ball pan live, when Lady P said, dash her the belly, me say no. Allah ya tell, dash her what? You mad?
The clip started now. That's what it looks like. Look
The
up at
only
that
bad
sky.
friend Ivany have is Toya. Toya is the one who send Ivany out to find our address. And me, I be proof because Toya send me the white plate somewhere in my inbox said this is how you find the address. And she speaking upon the lifestyle. So you find it. When Toya send Ivany find the address, you know Ivany turned to me and said, when I call Ivany, I said, girl, come on for the live and stop it. She called me and she accused and I said, like she say, love me alone. And then she hung up the call and she said, love you to me. Who remember that live? It's not live tell.
I was watching it, Destiny, and you told her not to go. I was watching it. And you told her not to go.
Oh, no, you're a friend. And you know you can't find the address. You know what? Let me find the address. I said, no, because of danger that. You have to put yourself in a... So I don't care what people want to say. Like,
So, Destiny. Me not hear nothing.
yeah, me a hear her. What you say, mama?
Everybody I do this blame game thing, Zane. Who Ivany they are jail now, no she alone. One him a go before the judge, no she alone.
Alright, listen now. They're saying that I must come out for Ivany name. Me not depend on Ivany name. The end of the day, me have to come out, come clear my name because people are judge me. People are say me log in a Ivany page and me write up say me I go TT away. People are judging me have to come clear my name. Me have to come and clear my name. Me have to come and clear my name. Nobody tell me what to do. I don't care what people want to say. Everybody they on the topic. When you put your business on social media, anybody want to talk about it, them have already talk about it because of you put your business on the media. You have to clear my name.
Oh, the sun is... Hello. I'm leaving...
I know like people, that like social media personalities have to understand say whenever them forward on the media with whatever, you know what I mean, people are going to upon it, we are going to have them opinion. You understand? Me know say kind of overwhelming sometimes for them when people talk about them, but that the life for you sign up for. You see me, people are going to talk, and not everybody are going to say good. People are going to say bad also. You see me, so that's what you have to just prepare for. I know say that's social media. You see me, that's social media. You understand? But one thing me know, like this person on social media, them have a strong headspace. You see me, cause people are constantly talk bad about them in the comments. Well, me see the reason. One time I used to wonder like, why them people just a black people off of them social media? So why them just a black people? People can give them opinion. You know what I mean? But me kinda see why them black people so often. Because sometimes the bad comments can get to you. Cause sometimes you can say the best thing to a person in a them comment section, you know, and them see it and not acknowledge it, you know. You see me? But the thing we get them are when you type something bad, them see that is either them block you or them diss you. You see me I say? So me kinda see it, and if you go through that every day, it must take a toll upon the mental space some of the time. You know what I mean? So look watch some more people.
I need for watching my eclipse.
Don't look
Miss
at that sun,
thanks for adding me. Y'all have a nice day.
Hey, I don't know who's influencing you, Jalon, but don't look at that sun here.
You know what?
I have my glasses, them sir.
Auntie Dan.
Yeah.
I have my glasses.
Destiny, you gone already?
Right, later.
Huh?
You gone already?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Why?
No, man, one day just gone, so I don't know.
Yeah,
Anyway, Miss Dan, can you take me down, please?
Cause me don't know where me do me love, me don't know where me do all I know. Nobody can give an account on where me do. If they ever say this, you know, anything like that must come to light, you know. They always say that already, you know, anything like that must come to light, you know. Me can't have a blood clot if you write one proper message. Me can't read properly. Me have to laugh to blood clot. Me can't write one proper message.
Why, man? No. I've never seen this in my life. One person have this kind of power where you cannot be honest. You have to just sing the same hymn book.
Because I'm different. Some don't know why me don't want to do it.
People
Why?
are very powerful, man.
But in a life, destiny, in a life, overall, you can have a friend and you and the friend fall out for all months, years, and you and the friend go back, go talk. And
Miss, me and Ivany are post on Instagram. The people on internet them too now.
And the true media this destiny. Cause you can have a good friend, talk the truth, and you in our class. Not per media, you know, they tell you one another, go, you did carry, you did talk, you did that with John, go dirty girl, and yet still you and I talk back 1 year time. Wrong, am I right?
You're right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay then. So you can't say, oh, you destiny say things to sometimes. Not talk back to Vanny, but make tomorrow you hear say something really bad happen to Vanny. You're gonna lock off your life and go in your shell and you're gonna cry because everybody know you love Vanny, you know. But at the ignorance where you have now, make you go talk certain things, but you love Vanny.
I'm not talking certain things more than
yeah, me know, but I am just saying, you love Vanny.
Guys, in truth and in fact, Destiny and Vanny relationship will not come in the midst of that because what? And first time I go follow out. And everybody say everybody with Vanny follow out with 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, no matter how we drag them, him and them always go back go chat.
That is the point. She and them is bench and body, so when that's why
Yes.
them on the media, I see Vanny and her, I don't say D don't lady more than I sit and dead with laugh. That is it.
Yeah, when me see it go on, me a kin my teeth. Me a kin my teeth and me a watch live. And me they laugh.
You think me
Because
never
look
do
on when
Cool up and
Darcy,
well,
I said
look
most
on
of them
when
are
the
low blood
Darcy
clot
this
youth.
class
follow.
Listen
up,
to me,
Watch
man.
ya,
guys.
you
Stop bash
know.
Mommy
No.
Sweetness in the comment. Mommy Sweetness don't do no obia. Stop bash the lady in the comment. Me and
Exactly.
her no
Wanna stop
talk,
calling mommy
but me go
sweetness name
talk.
because mommy
Stop bash
sweetness
the
was
lady in
not
the
at
comment, me love.
fault.
I don't know when what talk say. Appear madness no attack. So they never see Mommy Sweetness face yet. Never, never, never. I don't have things to say about people.
And this is what I was talking about earlier on. When you come up in the panel, call everybody name, and
Friends
then
are
the
your worst
argument goes
enemy. What
south.
you mean friends are your worst enemy,
If
Nurse
you're
Brown?
Destiny,
Nurse
I
Brown,
true
what you
that.
Destiny,
mean friends are your nurse enemy, worst enemy?
That
Because
is
a lot
true.
of them know you know.
I
What you
agree.
mean?
what's your name? Don.
What do you mean
Problem
friends
not
are your
like
worst
how
enemy?
Don, control your panel,
Me know me I never enemy to Ivany,
You
me
need
love.
to control your panel
Oh.
because me not like when time we disrupt each other. I
Oh, maybe
mean, if
Ivany
somebody attack,
enemy.
Destiny, we don't
Extraordinary.
read
That's
comments. We don't read comments here
No,
and
me want
argue
them
with
tell me, oh,
people in
maybe
the
Ivany
comments.
enemy. If
No,
me,
don't argue.
let me answer some
Destiny,
baby girl. Hold on,
Destiny,
up
don't
time.
argue with
extraordinary.
them in the
Just chill
comments.
out, man.
If
Just
me
relax.
and you
Down
are
on our
friends,
channel, man.
right? And me have an argument. You cuss me and me class you back and you cuss me about things. You put up my family and I put up back for your one. Or me become your enemy. When me and your friend now, and me I do something to you now, that is how me is your enemy. But me is not friend.
I'm gonna take it too far though.
Yeah,
Or
Johnny.
me take it too far.
Oh no, I said oh no.
If we do.
Both of you took it too far.
Okay.
Yeah,
Me
both
want
of you
to
took
all
it.
me
The
get
two
enemy
of
me love
them wrong, mama. The
when
two
me
of
the
them
partner
wrong.
with
She
Ivany
should
two
have
are
put up
pregnancy.
Destiny family and Destiny should have put up here. The two of them wrong. And the two of them are friend. I mean I have nothing to say with the bench and batty them. Nothing me have to say.
Sometimes silence is golden. You just ignore a person and just move on with your life. Maybe
Destiny, we
things will
can't.
Why? So, the woman will give Ivany our address. She are one of the main person where people are blaming because I know Destiny alone me here say that. You see me? And if you deserve to get blame, you forget it. You understand me I say? Because if you help her forget herself in the trouble where she in her, allegedly, you see me? If you help her they in the trouble where she there, no allegedly people, you know what I mean? I joke me did make when me say that a while ago. But if you help her in the trouble where she in her, you used to be blamed also. You see me I say? And as I say my people, I mean I think Ivany in no custody. I just feel like say she go through her thing and decide to take a little break from the media. You see me? And who to tell if Ivany or Owie no patch up things and a friend right now and then put all of the foolishness aside and a co-parent with the youth. Who to tell? We don't know people. Remember, when people they on the media, they will go show it what them want to show, Yes, I say, if them not want to share with we the reality, how I go on in them life, them not have to share that with we. Most people come on the internet with a facade. You know what I mean? They must show you a lifestyle when a real. You see me? We don't know what go on behind closed door. Who to tell if we not in on all of these things what go on in the media right now? Because when me look pan, me I say like normally if Owie and Ivany did go through stuff and Ivany come on the internet and I blame him for this and I talk about this and talk about that, is a youth or you wait till all one day or 2 days after and him come clear him name. You see me I say? Remember people are blame him and Karina for everything, and I say this and say that, Maybe him now want to address it because there's an ongoing case. Or maybe in on this social media frenzy where Ivany put everybody on. You know what I mean? Who to tell? We not did it, we don't know what really are going behind closed door. You see me? Maybe Ivany just a trick the crowd. So if she a go through something, prayers up for her. I hope she get through and learn her lesson. But if she not go through nothing and I put it on a frenzy, nothing wrong with that either. You see me? So look what someone here with Destiny have to say.
Yeah.
If Ivany should come out tomorrow, would you be friends with Ivany again?
Me not think so. Me have to think about that. You see the allegation.
And she said she would have loved them from afar.
No, baby girl, let me tell you something. You see the allegation when them put out for my girl, actually not even know I'm crying here. You hear? Come and know me do that.
That change the fact that you still love her.
It just changed me just. Alright, listen now. You see the situation she in and now. I'm really sorry for her. Me not gonna tell no lie. I'm sorry for her. Kind of my mind. Me I say, look what me talk to her and tell her don't go do and it's still happen. You get what I'm saying? But me just as me say, me have to just love them from far distance.
Alright, me understand that. And whatever decision you make, we just have to work with it. But stop make the people them joy out in the comment. I don't like when you make them joy out in the comment.
Remember, I know, sweetheart.
Stop read them comments.
Remember, I know, baby girl.
When you see in the comment, Destiny, them can come up here in the box and they don't have a real page. A
Destiny, a comment section for one lead Vani.
I did comment section.
Yeah.
You see, when you do that now and you read from them comment and you reply to them, it's like you give them the energy. Don't give them the energy, baby girl.
When you
talk within who in the panel and who you address, but not address in the comment section.
You see this someone me post on my page? Me send Vani that message when she dey on live. Me say much as me no like we live good with him.
But she tried.
Me say live good with Owie because the baby need both parents. Me sleep on live, watch all movie with Ivany. 24 minutes on live, all garbage bag and right now I pay garbage bag in me eye. They can't move. Me don't know where me I go move them. Me don't know how them I go move.
You don't believe she tried?
Me don't yet Ivany. And me can't lift up my hand. Me don't care what the comment want to say. Me can't lift up my hand when people cuss, they say they hate each other. Because all the time he say me hate her, me love. And all the time she says she hate me. But me can't lift up my hand. That girl don't hate me, me love, and me not hate her. So me not care what comment section want to say. I don't do nothing.
That is what me I tell you, Destiny, because you and Vani is friend. That's why when them see her fall out, them for shut them out and you would have to read the comment section.
Me not tell you no lie, but you see whoever they on her side and I tell her the right, if you do the right thing, me look on that and say that are they are true friends. And Destiny did it, cause me watch you live them right through. And me I tell her say Destiny was always the one that was there to tell her to not do the wrongs that they were encouraging her to do. Bad to bad. Me nah go bash Destiny.
My
bad
people in comment wrong go tell him go tab up here. Them do it. Them both.
And the people in the comment too, then they back and forth.
Them both the girl. And then you know what now? The girl they are jealous, see them and come out now. Oh my God! I'm sorry for her. I'm sorry. When I own both side.
Listen to this, Destiny.
And them same one in our inbox.
Why people say them hate Vani is because she earned enough people in money wisely, like scam them. Though you have man who has scam whole of people right now, and I mind them family. No. You know, none of the scammer them dead or police hold them. You none of them family come out and carry them down in the girl.
All right, people are saying that I cuss her baby. Why do I cuss her? Why me cuss she and her baby? She's a cuss my mother, and my niece, and my nephew. Ivany screenshot on the seat for the proof. It's so wicked. Ivany screenshot my niece, everybody, and post it on her status and I bring down my family them. So what about me? Me never put up eyes, me cuss them back. Because right is right. Even when Ivany come on D live, me comment on the page and say the baby pretty and nice and cute. All about. But when me sister you touch, when me sister you touch me niece and my nephew, me go back for you.
Somebody have to be the bigger person.
Yeah, but we're only human, nevertheless.
Yeah, but somebody have to be the bigger person, you know.
Ivan cause other just like how Ivan cause other people pitney. Ivan no cause other people pitney.
Yeah, but nobody not do it more. It's because them are the bigger person.
Of course they do it to her.
Good afternoon, guys.
Hey, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I have one thing to say.
Me don't know who nurse gonna talk.
I noticed everyone is saying that.
Destiny, hold on.
Me know that.
So them people, yeah, they up on the live and the girl will just jump off. What's her name? Just jump off. Like she had just one of them. I don't remember if I wanna just jump off. I justify like whatever Ivany do, like take people page and all of these things, like look for a lot of scammers out there. You know what I mean? Them have for them judgment for fear. So a person do something, them have them consequence. You see me I say? So you can't justify wrongs of people do. You understand? You can't justify that. You see me? People sympathize with her if she in a situation, you know what I mean, like this way them say she, you know. You have people sympathize with her, you know what I mean, and hope say she come out right. As me say people, in my opinion, me no feel like this real. Me feel like a be a propaganda a spread on the internet. And me no know why them a do it. As in, but at the end of the day, we are going here. You see me I say, but everybody we are say Ivany lock up and all these things, I feel like them just as spread be a propaganda. For what reason, as we say, me no know. And some people just hear people that say Ivany lock up and I run with it. Because they may take a time to find out. Me tell you something, man. Anybody will get locked up, as in get locked up, so what's your famous? Mugshot long time. How long now Ivany get locked up? You know what I mean? How long now they must say Ivany get locked up? You see it? So all if them put out a mugshot right now, me not believe the mugshot there. Because them wait too long. So in my opinion, it's like them hear people and say, oh, we don't see no mugshot and them something there. And them just would create a mugshot because them can create one and put it out there and say, yes, see Ivany mugshot here. You know what I mean? What do them put up one sitting say she get bail and sitting? Anybody can type up that. You know what I mean? And the reason why me I say this, because only a few people I come out and I post some things why everybody else can't find that the information that you find. Why? Tell me now. Why are you alone and post that the information there on your page? Nobody can go in a system and find no information, but you will find it and post it. Make what some more.
That we need to be a part of the baby life, right? If it was a Jamaican that Ivany get pregnant for, a Jamaican man, you know that they would tear that man down. He's a workless stink on land, and him this and him that. Now be real. We are mothers, and not everybody a mother neither. And you are pregnant, and that man wasn't playing any part of your life. None at all. He wasn't there. And now baby Bonnie won't come take part because that happened to me. Yeah.
A long time you know that.
And then everybody at talk. Everybody have everything to say about Bonnie this, Bonnie that, and
so
Bonnie
Tamika,
the worst thing. Yeah.
When as a man, when do you play part? I mean, you can only do so much when a woman is pregnant. When do you? I mean, you play part when the baby is born,
okay.
Correct?
A man can do so much when you're pregnant. You need a food for rub. You're hungry. How much time Bonnie come out and say she want to go doctor? I would give her no money at all. She have to fend herself. And when I look and see big woman on this platform tearing down Bonnie, it's
so you're encouraging Tamika her keeping the baby away from the father.
Me. You're judging me.
I'm asking a question, ma'am. I'm asking a question.
Okay, what's the question?
So you're just so emotional, and let's just chill out, bro. I'm simply asking you, Tamika, are you supporting her taking the kid away, or are you saying that it should have some kind of parental, like co-parenting going on?
There should be a co-parenting, but my thing is that why everyone keep on saying how we supposed to get the child? How we supposed to get the child? Get which child?
If Vonnie's in legal custody, where else should the child go?
Somebody that she thinks can take care of her child.
Somebody that's close to her to take the baby. Why nobody says anything
the father.
about everyone is
because she tried to coexist with him and tried to co-parent with him, and he called CPS.
He's a father. He's a father.
If he was a father, remember
Destiny there for Vonnie, yes.
So you rather send child to a stranger than his father?
No, but remember his name is not on the birth certificate. So in the case,
what if a stranger abuse a kid?
His name is not on the birth certificate. So
listen,
the child would have been
what if the
when you are pregnant, and the thing that you got through, it's hard. Even during a pregnancy, you maybe not want the baby at that time, Destiny, but come on now. You see when you give birth to that child and you see that child and that child suck onto you, it's a different feeling.
You want the baby for monetary gains. That's how we want the baby
it's
for.
It's a different feeling. I've been there, done that.
I'm going to ask you something, sweetie. Because I want to say this, because you think that the people on social media...
baby mother.
You hear me, Tamika?
Yeah, baby, what you say?
You think the people on social media who are, saying things, come see what even one live one woman say, oh, she go at the police station, go ask about Ivany situation. You think them the people that are making me bad fear, or you think them the people that are making me good fear? Because to me, them the people that are making me bad fear. Them are pressure more and more. They don't know who I watch. Them don't know if ICE I watch. Them don't know if the police them I watch. Them don't know if immigration I watch. They don't know.
Exactly.
So they keep popping up at people's place and them there. What? That me I wonder. Like, they make it be worse. And they don't even know that.
Tamika, you're not.
Come kiss out a verse and break your dirty curse. Your bad mind from before.
See my 3 kids them. And I left because I was in an abusive relationship. And I have to do what I have to do for my kids because I didn't raise with no mother, no father. And when I found out I was pregnant with my first child, my baby father told me to throw it away. And I did not. I bring my son. And I struggle with my 3 kids and I come to Canada and I make life for them. So how am I a bitter baby mother? No baby girl.
Because you're saying she should leave her kid with a stranger instead of her father. That's a bitter baby mama. Only bitter.
How is it a stranger?
Only a bitter woman speaks like that.
How is it a stranger?
I'm just saying, only a bitter woman will talk that way. Usually, a woman that's bitter, they will encourage co-parenting.
How is she bitter though? How is she bitter?
I just said it because she's encouraging.
In a woman's shoes. Put yourself in a woman's shoes.
He cannot put
put yourself in a woman's shoes.
Nadine.
At the end of the day, the person's a human being. I'm a male. She's a female. You cannot have a kid grow up without the parents. Usually,
exactly. You're going to relate more over to the male side because you're a male, but you cannot understand a woman's perspective.
I have daughters too. I wouldn't want to stay in my daughter's life.
But still, you can't. But still, the reason why you cannot relate is because you're not a woman.
That doesn't make any sense what you're saying. That makes zero sense what you just said. If you're
yo, some of them women here, them bitter for true. And you see what them go through in a them lifetime, enough of them want tell other woman how to operate because of what them go through and them no like man, so them want the woman to be a strong black woman. There's nothing wrong with being a strong black woman when you're not getting the help you need. But if somebody help you, come on, there's no need to be a strong black woman. You understand me? Alright. There isn't much a father can do when the baby in the belly. There's only so much that they can do. Like the woman say, you can rub her foot, get her things where she want, you know what I mean? Get her things that she need. But we have to remember, say, when Ivany carry the baby, the two of them never did a talk. You see me, I say them did back and forth. Sometimes them good, sometimes them not good. And me is a person where me I go malice you if you not talk to me. If we in an argument, me I go malice you. Certain things you would do, me not go do it because right now we not good. You see me, I say we hate each other now. You understand me? So me not go do it. Me not say, oh, he couldn't do some things. You know what I mean? But alright, him not do it then, okay. Him wrong for that. The baby born, the most important time in the youth life, you know. Him a come up, you know. Important in a way where, you know what I mean, the mother need all the support where she can get. She live alone. You understand? The father want in the youth life. And all of this thing with between Ivany and Owie, you know what I mean, it go bad from the whole chicken situation. And after that, it never good. It only good for a minute and then it bad again. You understand me? So she did a try if you say, okay, at one point she say, me I go make you me I go make you in the child life, okay? And feel good. Next time she say, hey, you nah see this a pick me, you go out of this a pick me life, whatever. I'm first pick me, you know. Any man would feel away and want to in him youth life. At first, we did just want co-parent with Ivany or whatever. Then it reached to a point where the two of them don't like one another. Ivany want to take the baby for herself. Owie now he want the baby for himself. People are saying, Owie lead on Ivany, you know what I mean, in a way where it makes you feel like say him want a life with her or whatever. But from the chicken situation, like him mind change from Ivany. You know what I mean? Him just one day in the picnic life. And him come and him said, say him no want Ivany more in him youth life. You understand? So him did just want co-parent with Ivany. But it looked to me like say, through Ivany I say, yo, me gonna lock you out of the youth life. No, him want sole custody of the youth. Ivany want sole custody of the youth. I mean I agree with no man for want take away the picnic fully from the mother. And there's no way the father can take away the picnic fully from the mother unless you prove the mother to be an unfit mother. You see me I say? Ivany say, oh, we call CPS pan her and CPS turn her friend. Right? Okay. So that means that from CPS turn her friend and tell her say she not do nothing wrong, whatever. She shouldn't really have worry about how we taking the picnic away from she, because from CPS pass her as a good mother, that's okay. So him can do what him want to say what him want to say. The picnic now get taken fully from you. Them are gonna just give him rights to see the picnic. You know what I mean? So some of the things them where she do, me feel like it was unnecessary. You know what I mean? Just make him go on a court, make him do whatever he want to do, and you go through the process, and then okay, you go see the picnic maybe every other week. So you come pick up the picnic from me every other week. Nothing wrong with that, because the baby young and she want a look, you know, break sometime, because she upon social media try to hustle her money. You know what I mean? Okay then, him come for the youth this a week, you get a break, you get for rest, you get for, you know what I mean, do your social media thing or whatever. Me no feel say all of this fighting and fussing and court and back and forth did necessary. But as me say people, me no think Ivany lock up big woman thing. You know what I mean? Me no think she lock up. Me feel like say she just want to take a break off of social media. You know what I mean? But what this lady has said, seeing about Ivany and the baby and thing, and leaving the baby with somebody else other than the father, nobody are gonna love this picnic more than the father and mother. So if there's anybody that the picnic should have left with, me feel like say the father are the right person. People are say, oh, you want money off of the picnic. Nothing wrong with that. Because that the same money they are going to help take care of the picnic. You see me I say that people are talk about him want tax money off of the picnic. Nothing wrong with that. Because the money I got help spend on the picnic same way. Ivany can claim the tax off of the picnic because first of all she not pay none. So all of them things with people I give them opinion or something. Me feel like the best thing Ivany if you do find a middle ground with our baby father and work it out. Less money spent on court and you know what I mean that the money they can go towards the picnic. If all you want file taxes on the picnic, nothing wrong with that. Make him do it because the money I got help I got spend upon the youth, and then the advantage with Ivany I got have you know. If the baby takes sick or anything, she not have to go pay her money at hospital for deal with the baby because medical bill in America very expensive. Owie can put the baby on him insurance so that if anything happen to him. So if them just sit down and work out this, and if the people them in Ivany ear just tell her certain things, everything can go easy. You know what I mean? It not have to be this chaotic. You see me I say? So make watch some more.
You can't just grow a kid by yourself. You're not a man. You need a man involved. You need another parent involved.
Alpha, this is my thing.
There are things that a man can't teach a child, you can't teach a child.
And Alpha speaking of
And
big
they
bang.
not end up nowhere worse than nobody else.
So why would you black people on a whole always have like one less parent than other
me understand what Big Banker say now. To me, sound like Big Bank is a family man. Me understand totally.
I like my family. I like being involved in my kids' life.
Sound like,
that's how I am.
Listen to him and him sound like him a family man. I understand everything where I say. I also understand where Nadine and Tamika say. But
of course, you should.
Sometimes you can render evil for evil. Not because he never play a part in the child life doesn't mean that he doesn't deserve a chance in the child life. As well as it's each to his own. If Ivany don't feel, Ivany the mother, you know. Ivany
exactly.
His child up for 9 months. If Ivany don't feel like he want Owie in the child's life, that's a decision that she have to make. But at the end of the day, I don't think she should make the decision because of how she feels. But
if Ivany don't feel, that's a right a parent supposed to have to see a youth. I know if the mother feel like to make you see the youth, no, that's a right. That's a right for a parent to see them youth. Come on, man.
The child well-being and growing up without a father. He
said it several times.
I grow my son without a father, and it's not because I choose the father not to be there. The father choose not to be there.
But she said it several. All right, go ahead.
And my son and his father they have a bond, a good communication. I don't stop them from being with each other. If my son say, Mommy, I want to go daddy for the summer, him gone. Me and daddy not talk. Me and daddy not no communication because him not do what I'm supposed to do. But that no means me I go deprive my son from being around his father. Well, that's me. I cannot speak
exactly.
for Ivany.
And in America,
I understand
and then
what Big Banker said.
Extraordinary. And also in America, statistically, most black women in America are single. Like over almost 80% of them. Most times they're single and they're raising these kids by themselves. And then guess what happened to most of these kids? They end up in a system, right? They end up in a system. Yeah. So it's like, why would you take your child down that path when you know the pathway leads to that? Like, why won't you involve the other parent in the lives of the child? And that's what happened in the black community over and over and over, generation after generation. They have one parent missing, one is in jail, one is there, and it's why we're gonna keep this cycle going on. We gotta break the cycle.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying totally. And
I believe in a two-parent household, right? I believe in that. I believe in that. But what's the sense having two parents around if your parents them can't agree? That
you're co-parenting Alpha.
That pauses.
You're co-parenting is separate. You're separating your.
Nothing wrong with that. It's all about the picnic.
Parenting, different locations.
But this
If
thing
we're
of
plotting against one
communicate.
parent, makes no sense.
You
He's
can have
plotting against the parent.
Alpha. You can have a mediator, like maybe a parent or somebody made a phone call, you know. But you can't just block one person because you don't like them or whatever. That's not right
She
for the
didn't.
child.
She gave him multiple opportunities to be in the
But
child's
no,
life.
you're saying she gave him. It's not up to her. It's not a her
It is
thing
up
or
to
whatever.
her. He
It's
wasn't
who.
there. He
It's
didn't want
no.
the
The law.
child.
The law doesn't say it's up to her. That's not up to
It's up to
her.
her. Maybe I should
The
make
guy's a
sure.
parent. He has a choice as well, and that's
I
the
want to
problem.
say,
She thinks it's her decision. It's not her decision.
Nope.
I want to say something and come down. Everybody keeps saying that when she did pregnant, if you want somebody together and she get pregnant and you not know more, you're not gonna go around them and rub them foot and do this. Your
so
concern
true.
is when the
So
baby
true.
born to play a part. But while she's
Exactly.
pregnant, him don't owe her no obligation.
Well, me not
The
talk
baby's
about
not
the rub
born
foot
yet.
part. Me not talk about the
But
rub foot part.
No,
But you
somebody
know,
said that.
baby go need
Him
crib
not-
and them
Somebody said
type
about
of
pay
something.
help
You
her
know
with
what
the
the
Alpha.
responsibility.
Him not do this, him not do that. It's after the baby born, that's all that matter.
People that talk about all of this thing. Hear that woman they say about crib and them something. They remember Ivany they say, oh, me no want you in my life. Me no want you in the picnic life. Me have my money, me can get anything me need. Me no need you to buy this. Me no, it come like these people don't remember all these things. And this is not a hate on Ivany. These are things that she said. Me I telling her say, oh, she run this youth away at first. Him never really a give money or them something that is a mean man. But now him a try play a father role when the youth born and she shut him out from play. You see me I say, and as this man say, them never did good when she a prayed.
You ain't gotta do
So what
nothing.
did he do
Hold
when the
on,
baby
I'm
was
not
born?
talking about the rub feet business.
The
Me
baby
not
was
talking
born
about the
December.
rub feet business.
No.
Yeah,
Four
what
months ago,
has he
guys.
This
done?
big belly
It's
not
been all
supposed to
fighting.
barely for
All
crib
they've been doing
material
is
for you
fighting
put
the
crib
last
together.
4 months.
Listen.
Yeah,
So
but
how
he
can
had
he be a
9
parent?
months. He had
Listen.
9 months to know a child was
Oh
coming.
my
You
God,
make
Nadine.
preparations.
So when you talk
You
like
don't
that,
have to do
so you're
nothing
gonna
for
indefinitely
somebody
block
after
Okay, he
somebody.
didn't have to do anything.
So hold
He
on,
didn't
hold
have to
on.
do anything while she was
So hold on.
pregnant.
She
But he
was
had
pregnant for
9
9
months to make
months. So you're
preparations
saying that
to get
no,
some
you're gonna
buckles,
punish someone
buy a
forever
crib.
with
It's
their
sounding
child?
messy now, guys.
He wasn't doing
Nadine,
anything.
hold on.
Yes.
You're gonna punish somebody indefinitely because of
But she
the previous
didn't.
9 months.
She didn't. She allowed him to be at the hospital to witness the baby being born. Number one. Number two, when she came out, she allowed him to be.
Who is she to be allowing? Like that's the problem, guys. It's a co-parent.
No,
It's
because
not
you
just
guys,
her
you
decision.
guys,
So listen.
you guys are
What do you
saying
mean by
that she
her?
doesn't want
She
him to be a
allowed?
part
So,
of the
No
baby's
one can
life.
allow me to do nothing with my kid.
She must get an
It's
award
my
for
kid.
what she did. She
And
must
your
get
kid.
an award to make him come at the
Nobody's
hospital.
saying that.
Thank you.
Nobody's saying that. But
No,
the
that's what
fact
you
is
said.
that.
You said that she
That's what I
allowed
said.
her.
I said she
As if
allowed
as if
him.
she's who is she
Because
to
you
say
guys
that?
are saying she
Yeah,
doesn't want
so
it to
she
be.
should
She
get
doesn't
an
want
award
him to
to
be a
allow
part of the
him,
child's
right?
Hi
life.
there, good morning, everybody. Good morning.
That's what you're saying. So I'm saying she
How is
allowed him.
everybody?
She allowed
Don,
him
what's
to be a
going
part
on?
of the child's life.
I
And he
hear you
called
guys
CPS on
talking.
her.
I know, Don, you know more than anybody else that this discussion is definitely not something that I enjoy, but I'm just willing to put my 2 cents in this as it pertains to what I just came in and hear you guys talking about. I don't know the full story, but I'm going to say this, and I'm a lady. I have 2 kids, okay? Look at the other side of it. We don't know what the reasoning behind why she don't want him in his life or
Exactly.
or what, right? As all we see
know
is the fact
why.
that they're no longer together and let him do.
We know why she don't want him in the picnic live. We are say we see it everything unfold on the internet, and you said it first when you just come in say you know what go on, you know what I mean, you know fully privy to everything. We can tell you we know. That's why a lot of people have their own opinion because we see everything unfold on the media. Me feel like Ivany is just being petty, you know what I mean? That's why.
When he's around.
You know, people are right, so me I go cut the part here. We are go listen to, we are go over to Dan them a talk about the whole Ivany situation some more, you know what I mean? So this was one. We'll go over to the next. Yeah, so this is a different reasoning, you know what I mean? Upon I think the Ivany situation. Me no remember I could just jump in and watch these people because them say some things in this so we have to hear.
Is the fact that you guys know her past, but each time you come on here and you say, oh, Vani know how to do this and Vani know how to do that and Vani did this and Vani did that, stuff that are negative.
She not take telling, man. She only baby and we talk to her. Come baby and all them. She not take telling.
Who's saying, oh, FBI on the net watching and FBI here and FBI there. If they're listening, they're hearing the stuff that she have done and capable of doing. That's only going to think her more.
Yeah, then listen all of them video and stuff right now. Trust me.
Oh, Vani used to do this to people, Page, and Vani used to do this in Jamaica. That's only going to put more pressure on them to do what they have to do to her.
They still can dig. You know, there's one thing, when you put anything on the internet, you cannot hide. It follows you.
Yeah, but
no matter you delete it, no matter you delete it still.
Let them dig and find it. But
very disrespectful, man. Very disrespectful.
I had a dream about her, Dawn. And in the dream, she's very sad. She looked very sad with regrets.
Yeah.
But
saying I'm sorry. Look her house look nice and everything.
The dream I had, she came home. So she was out and home. And the baby was there. And it's usually what you see in the dream. Yeah. It's coming at the what do you call it? It's spiritual before it enters the physical. Yeah. So hopefully she get a second chance and everything work out for
right now Ivany I do more than me and me a big woman and me a 42 year old. Cause me not got no country when me not straight and I buy one up a furniture and pack up and do this and do that. Me not because me not straight right now myself too. My married and me still not straight and me not do that. So she doing very good more than enough big woman. But you know, use her common fucking sense.
Usually them say when you dream see sadness, it mean happiness. So hopefully it's good news for her. Yeah. If she do get a second chance, she come out and do right. Like make her always stand on that. I hope when she get a chance, she come out and she do right. Especially for baby eyes.
Yeah. That's what take a big chance you take, go through the border. You know, a big chance you take.
But people need to stop and say, Vani used to do this and Vani used to do that. They only gonna see her as like she's a menace to society.
We just need to pray
you know
for
what?
her.
Not if it only bring her sink her further down in that hole where she there right now. So if people could accompany and just say, yeah, Vani did do this and you know she was bad in the past, but you don't have to necessarily talk what she was doing.
But are the same people when see the video laugh and I watch her and I think I same way. I mean the same people might say, Vani, yes. The same people might think him now.
No, me not talk what she come on live and do. Me I talk things that she used to do back then in the past. So you know, say it's not a good look for her here.
Why? I don't know.
You know? The S word and the PH word and them something there.
I'm just gonna continue to pray for her. I went on fasting, half a day fasting, because I couldn't do a full day fasting the other day. And God answered prayer. So we just all need, but it has to be sincere. The prayer has to be sincere. You know, you pray for her, pray for the baby.
God answer prayer for you, miss. Not your life because I'm more than the
You pray about it about
the last one, so they were pray.
That's it, you know, say Dana Wally part video, me not sick. Like me tell you, say I'm not a big fan of her because me.
And if she get a next chance again, I hope she do the right thing.
Exactly. Just pray for her. That's all she need right now in a prayer. Prayer, some prayer warrior. Because God never left Ivany, you know. But God never left her. He never condemned her.
You remember how Vani because it last one, so they were pray. She sit down and do something else. So all them something they have to know, say people provoke her to her to a lot of
times. Baby is a very nice baby.
She needs some big woman in her life. She needs some big woman
to chew with it. If she will listen to them, because a lot of time I see them go over there go provoke her in her and she has said, where you said that for now? Oh, that coming at this now.
She
a lot
needs
of people like that, you know.
some big woman in her life who really
You
care
dip
about
on your
her to
page, I talk
to
about
her.
chicken, and then come and put in a comment about
Yeah,
the
and I tell her
fish,
about
and you're
her
like,
pum
who
pum,
then
her
I start
pum
talking
pum
about
stink
fish?
and all
Where
them
you
stuff.
come
Now,
about with fish?
when them I tell her them something them
One,
they
can you take
pass.
me down, please, cute shorty?
Okay.
Them I tell her about her stink and them son. Them be enough for them go over there trouble her for throw.
Yeah, I just know that the people them always just come up with some something.
Yeah, we're gone
No matter
already.
how
They
you try, if you
nothing
say,
no
all right,
cause.
never run a day without no problem, them come to you with an argument. Them a text you, I tell you this, I tell you that. That's somebody there said this I said that. So if you're a person where feed into them the stuff there, it go hard for you
All
to
right, let me
move
get a
forward.
scenario done. You ever have a cut yet? We all have a cut. Everybody's supposed to get a cut or a scar.
Yeah.
So if you pick it, if you get up every day and pick it, you think I want easy feeling that? You think it will go well? You
Yeah,
think
go
she's
dig off
gonna
your back and
well?
then it go bleed.
Yeah, it will bleed again. So the internet for her, people a feed her and I bring up her past. It's like a scar for her.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
coming out in the
But when you have
inside.
to remember again, sometimes you wear the scar scratch your way nice and you scratch it till it rub off.
You
Nice.
scratch off that back.
We say she hurt a lot of people, but we are say just forgive her for one time.
Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the
And
key.
just say, make this wear off and see what go happen. Oh, this go
Me dey for one life where them here, all them a bring up her father in night, so she angle her father. Me I say, what them a bring up them something if I talk about no. Jesus, them people are easy, Jamaican people. Jesus. Okay? And me she attack you today, so I.
No, on a level still, people, it's natural for people dig up your past, you know what I mean? Not just Jamaican people, because me hate when people make Jamaicans look like we are the worst, like other nation and other nationality, not do what Jamaicans do. You see me I say, you know, I live with them, the nationality, if you find out where them are do. Them this as bad as Jamaicans. You see me I say. But people, alright, just so me I go in it. More want to tell me what you think in the comments. You see me? My opinion is that Ivany is just taking a break from social media, and people just, some of them don't know, you know what I mean? So them are run with story where them see other people. Some of them are spread propaganda, you know what I mean? And I try to trick the internet. You see me? So whatever she do, wish her the best and whatever. You know what I mean? So, let me know what you think, people. So, if you make it to right, yeah, some people, anyone I want to make it to right, yeah, so, me say, yo, on are true fans. You know what I mean? And, on a level still, the whole Ivany situation, me have something to tell you, but not right now. You see it? So, I soon tell you.